win nothing yet. You never won anything in your life. Stop lying. Female, I need a female. Female in red. You know! Hold on. I can't hold on to that, okay? Can you hold on? Here, hold it. Alright, hold on. Let's get this. Let's see if we can. Here, I'm just gonna throw it. Let's see if you can catch it. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Alright, how about way over there in the back? Compliments all the way. Almost done, almost done. We're waiting for 2 more. Alright, here we go. Give me one of those. Give me that. Right here. I'm gonna give away a pair of speakers, Alpine speakers, compliments of Elite Car Stereo. First person that comes up to me shows me a $50 bill, a $20 bill, and a $1 bill. 50, 20, and a 1. Real fast. 50, 20, and a 1. 50, 20, and a 1. Put it right there. 50, 20, and a 1. Let me see it. All together. 50, 20, and a 1. All together. A 50, a 20, and a $1 bill. 50. Good. A 1. Good. 20. Good. Who's that 2X boy? 2X boy. 2X. There you go. Congratulations. How about someone over there? How about you do it like shout out to the judges right there from Counting Cars, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them all the way here in Honolulu. Mr. Kevin Mack, Shannon, and my man Horny Mike. Also the two girls, lovely Miss Maya and Miss Suzanne. Making it big. Hold on, let me take some water.